How to do the blue search comment on TikTok. Hi everyone, this is Susan from Create, Login and Delete, and now without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, open TikTok on your phone, then open any of the videos, then go to the comment section here. Now over here you can see that some of the comments have been converted into the blue search comment. Now you have to note down is that this is an algorithm by TikTok that if you comment something that is relevant to the video or you comment something that is latest or trending on TikTok at the moment, then your comment will be converted to blue search comment. So in order to do so, write any word or sentence that is relevant to the video or that is currently latest or trending on TikTok. So for instance, let's comment how to blue comment. Okay, now after doing this comment, just tap on post. And after posting it, you have to go back and then wait for a few minutes, like 5 to 10 minutes. Then go back and check your comment and it will be converted to blue. And that was all for today. I hope you liked this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe.